What is the value of art and creativity in Islam?
Every knowledge has a value in Islam. If you are creating something and that is beneficial for the human being, then Islam says, okay, that's a good thing. So anything you are doing for the betterment of the human being is good. We appreciate it. The founder of the Ahmediyya movement has said that there are quite a number of prophets whose faces were sketched during olden days. So, although we say that we should not just make a sketch of every person, you cannot give the proper impression of their features and their face as the camera captures. But it is not said that it is a sin, but if it is beneficial for the people, even nowadays when there's a culprit who has done something wrong and police doesn't have any picture of that person, and only from the memory of the people they say, okay, we can make the sketch, and they make the sketch. That becomes beneficial. So then you can make it. Then art is beneficial to get that person who has done wrong, and so who has victimized some people. So in this way, yes, of course, we appreciate it.